It feels like I'm the only foreigner here. This one? Yeah. What time do we leave?
Fire o'clock.
Okay. This vehicle will go to Muang Khua.
Anh được chưa?
I wonder if they're gonna take everything here. It's a lot of stuff.
Toán rồi. Bao này anh.
You want me to go for it too?
Anh có muốn em cũng lên đó không?
Me too? No, no, okay. Okay. Ready? Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Ah, okay, bye bye. Tạm biệt.
Đẩy phát đi.
Looks like we have a little trouble. Okay. All that fun before 6:39 a.m.
Anh đang qua nhà máy xi măng đây này, đang cấp tốc này.
We're at the Pei border, Vietnamese border. I just received my exit stamp. I just got approved to enter Laos. One thing to note is when you come to the entry point near Dien Bien Phu, e-visa doesn't work. You have to get a regular visa. Only I believe 7 or 8 places in Laos where you can use e-visa, but this is not one of them. I know several people, several tourists came to this place and got turned around because they only had e-visa. Oh, another thing to note is that the entry fee was 10,000 kip. I didn't have any kip, so I gave him 20,000 dong. I am in Muang Khua. Let's see, it's 10:06 a.m. I need to find me a bank. I have no local money at all. I think this is a bank. Let me go see if I can exchange some money. I got rid of all the dong I had, which was 815,000 dong, and I exchanged that to 543,000 kip from a Vietnamese merchant in town. This is not enough, so I will have to go to an ATM. Sabaidi. Hi. I'm trying to go to Muang Noi. Muang Noi? Huh?
มันอื่นติมันจะไปเมืองน้อยมันนี่
ในซีพระอันอันนี้บ่มีเลยเต้
บ่มีแล้วมีแต่บอกไปหันอันนั้นแม่เก็บให้แม่
ว่ามื้อนี้บ่มีเลยเต้คือดีวันก็โทรมึงไง
Yeah.
today not have
No more today? Tomorrow? What time tomorrow?
อื่นบอกมันมื้ออื่นแม่ตายเมืองแล้ว
tomorrow about 9 o'clock
Here.
yes it's here
Do I need to buy ticket now? Ticket?
the ticket this tomorrow you buy ticket over there
Alright, 갑자이. There's no more boat today to Muang Noi. So let me find some place to sleep. It feels like I'm the only foreigner here. I haven't seen a single tourist yet. There are good reviews for this guest house. Let me see if they have a room. Sabaidi, hi. You have a room?
Yes.
You have room? Okay. I was offered room 304. The men's haircut is 15,000 kip. Pretty big bridge. I'm the only customer in this restaurant called Lao Mai. Okay, I got a large bottle of Lao beer, and it's 17,000 kip. Large fried rice was 35,000 kip. Fish soup for 60,000 kip. This is way too much food. I don't think I can finish everything. 60, 35, and 17. Total 112,000 kip. Okay, so that's 10,000 kip. This is a 40,000 kip.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. $40,000 kip?
아니라 30판.
아까 그게 텅이라 그러네요. 텅. 이거는 얼굴이고 페이스. 이건 내장이고. 오케이.
Xin nhắn. Xin mặt. Xin mặt một bình.